everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into DHL Employee Portal. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar that appears at the very top of the screen, type in yourself.dhl.com and press enter. You'll end up in this employee login portal for DHL. Go ahead and type in your email address and your password in the text boxes appearing on your screen. Type in your email address first and head over to the next field. Now type in your password correctly. You can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on set/reset password button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for a new password. Finally, after you are done, click the login button beneath and you'll be able to log in to your DHL employee account right away. With your DHL Employee Service Portal, you can view your pay slips, update your personal information, and apply for leave. That was how you can easily log into your DHL Employee Portal right away from your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.